Good afternoon, everyone. This speech is all about working students, titled Juggling Dreams. Imagine waking up before sunrise to attend classes, spending the day buried in books and lectures, and then rushing to work right after only to come home late, exhausted with assignments still waiting. This is the life of a working student. It's not just about earning money. It's about determination, sacrifice, and the pursuit of a better future. Being a working student is no easy task. Juggling work and academics requires immense discipline. While other students can focus solely on their studies, working students have to balance deadlines with shifts, exams with job responsibilities, and personal time with financial obligations. Many of us take jobs not by choice, but out of necessity to pay for tuitions, support our families, or simply survive. There are moments when it feels like running on empty, when we question if all the effort is worth it, when we feel like we are falling behind while trying to keep up with everything. But in those moments, we remind ourselves why we started. We hold onto our dreams, no matter how far they seem, and we keep moving forward. Despite the challenges, being a working student teaches us invaluable lessons. We learn time management, responsibility, and resilience. We gain real world experience, develop problem solving skills, and understanding the value of hard work. These are lessons that no textbook can teach. Yet they shape us into stronger, more capable individuals. And to those who know a working student, offer them encouragement, listen to them, be patient with them, support them however you can. Because behind their tired eyes is an unbreakable spirit, a heart full of hope, and a mind determined to overcome every obstacle in its way. At the end, the journey of our working student is tough, but it is also deeply rewarding. It teaching us that success is not handed to us; we earn it. We grit and we sweat and sacrifice. And when we finally reach our goals, we will look back, not with regret, but with pride, because we didn't just dream. We worked for it, we juggled it all, and we made it. Thank you.